Education stakeholders and unions are squaring up to take the Basic Education Department to court. They are challenging the decision to get matric pupils to rewrite exam papers that were leaked. But Minister Angie Motshekga is sticking to her decision. Heidi Giokos is monitoring this story for us. She joins us now live. So Heidi, the Basic Education Department finds itself in court, 5 bodies dragging it there.
Exactly, Shahan. Just a slight correction there. The minister actually confirmed that so far they've received about 4 court applications, and this comes from various law firms as well as AfriForum representing a number of learners as well. They are still waiting for SATU to file their court papers. So far we understand it is only those bodies, but they find themselves in a very difficult position, Shahan. That is the Department of Basic Education, because all these court applications are requesting for the department not to have this rewrite for the maths and physical science papers. When we spoke to the minister today, she indicated that there cannot be any compromise with the union. She says either there needs to be a rewrite or no rewrite, and she is urging for this rewrite, as she says that the preliminary findings from the investigation proves that most provinces were affected, and the leak has been spread throughout the provinces, and this is why there needs to be a rewrite. So the minister is saying the courts will have to decide, but let's listen to what she told us earlier.
It's not only for AfriForum. They were briefing me. I think there's now already 5 bodies taking us to court. You have your teachers. They said there's an organization from Limpopo, so they were just taking me through what their arguments are. They've cited all of us, Umalusi, they've cited all MECs, and we'll be going to court because I don't know what to compromise. What will be the compromise? Because there are 2 things here. It's either we write or don't rewrite. So there's no middle way of writing and not writing. So one thing has to happen. It's either we write or we don't write. So I can't see any room for compromise.
So let's talk about there being any other arrests with regards to the leaks.
So the minister indicated there are no further arrests with regards to the leak. But Shahan, I must just emphasize the fact that Quality Assurer Umalusi also held a briefing today on a number of issues, but touched on the fact that rewrites are an international standard, an international norm. When there are leaks, specifically when there are leaks, there should be a rewrite, and they stick with the departments with regards to its decision. And in order for the credibility of the exams to be restored, the rewrite must happen. So the department finds itself in a very difficult position with regards to the rewrite, and the courts, of course, will be hearing the application first tomorrow from AfriForum, depending also if other unions and other bodies join in with AfriForum or if they'll take their court matters separately.
All right, we're going to leave it right there. Heidi Giokos.